the last class, we discussed about soil pollution, air pollution and water pollution. Now we will discuss about soil pollution, radiation pollution and noise pollution. So what do you mean by soil pollution? The contamination of the soil by more using of chemical fertilizers and pesticides that changes the texture of the soil. That changes the texture of the soil. We call it as soil pollution. Especially in agricultural fields, nowadays more chemical fertilizers and pesticides are used. That is resulting in soil pollution, and also due to soil erosion, soil pollution will be caused, and deforestation is also one reason for the pollution of soil. Now, what are the causes of soil pollution? Dumping of industrial waste on the lands, garbage pollution, deforestation, and excessive use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers, percolation of contamination of wastewater into the soil, and demolition of the old buildings, especially that causes more pollution in the nearby areas. Usage of lead-based paint during construction activities will also causes more hazardous effects on the soil. And even spillage of petrol and diesel during transportation is one more reason for soil pollution. So what are the impacts of soil pollution? When the soil gets contaminated, the growth of the plants will be affected. The growth of the plants will be affected, and also it causes some diseases like especially in human beings, headache, nausea and vomiting, and irritation of the skin and eyes. This is mainly caused by inhaling the dust particles especially, and fatigue and weakness, exposure to high levels of lead that will permanently damage the nervous system, and even it damages the vital organs like the kidney and the liver, and it has a high risk of developing cancer. Actually, this is caused by the direct contact with the skin. So what are the effects of soil pollution on the plants? What are the effects of soil pollution on the plants? So definitely it reduces the nutrients of the soil. The soil will become infertile. It will affect the growth of the plants. Yield will be reduced. It increases the salinity in the soil, and also it affects the soil quality and the texture. What are the preventive measures to reduce soil pollution? So first we have to reduce the usage of chemical pesticides and fertilizers, and promotion of afforestation and reforestation. Wherever it is possible, we have to reuse and recycle the products. Using of biomanure and biopesticides, and proper disposal of waste. So these are the measures from which we can prevent the soil pollution. Now let us discuss about what is radiation pollution. So radiation pollution is mainly caused by the pollutants, especially which are nuclear waste, so that are released from the nuclear power stations or cancer research institutes that contaminates the environment. We call it as radiation pollution. What are the causes of radioactive pollution? So the nuclear waste, especially released from the nuclear power stations, and nuclear accidents from the nuclear power plants, and testing of weapons in the productive areas are nuclear, that will be causes destruction of the land or soil. And uses of radioisotopes mining, especially uranium mining, and spillage of radioactive chemicals into the environment, and tests for radiation, cosmic rays and the other natural resources, and mainly nuclear waste handling and disposal should be properly done. Otherwise, it will cause us more damage to the environment. So this is a graphical representation of the nuclear sources of nuclear waste or radioactive waste. Mainly from cosmic rays it is 10.0, and artificial sources it will be, and medical users especially it will be 14.0. Nuclear power accidents that will be 0.1%, and testing of nuclear weapons it is 0.2%, and radon gas it is more than it is nearly 50%, which is available in the rocks, and ground and buildings nearly 14.0%, and food and drink it will contain 11.5% of radioactive substances. What are the effects of radioactive pollution? So genetic mutations as a result of exposure to radioactive waste. When the people are exposed to radioactive waste, it leads to genetic mutations, and also it causes the diseases like cancer, leukemia, cardiovascular diseases, and mainly these diseases are caused by radioactive pollution exposure, and it results in soil fertility, infertility due to the disposal of radioactive waste, and mainly it causes cell damage, and also it affects wildlife and marine life. So what are the preventive measures to reduce radioactive pollution? So first thing, proper method of disposal of radioactive waste. So we have to dispose radioactive waste in a proper way. Proper labeling. So proper labeling, because by the proper labeling we will come to know the hazardous substances and the non-hazardous substances. And we have to ban the testing of nuclear weapons. We have to use alternatives for the energy sources, proper storage of these nuclear weapons or any other substances, and reusing and recycling. That is very, very important. So precautions to be taken at the personal level. So these are the preventive measures to prevent radioactive pollution. So noise pollution. So whenever an unwanted or excessive sound that is caused, definitely it is called as noise. It causes deleterious effects on human health, wildlife and environmental quality. So what are the causes of and sources of noise pollution? So definitely industrial pollution, it has increased the noise levels, especially machinery parts or generators, mills or exhaust fans which are used in the industries will causes the unwanted noise. And from the vehicles, definitely the number of vehicles have been increased, so on the roads, and that is the second reason for the source of pollution. And events, it may be any event like weddings, public gatherings. In that weddings or public gatherings they will use loudspeakers, and that play music with a high noise, and that will causes noise pollution. And in construction sites, and especially in mining and construction buildings, so we add more, it will be more noise during the construction or mining activities. Also they are digging the land and they are extracting the minerals from the land, so that will causes more, the machines that are used for this one, so that will causes more noise. So what are the impacts of noise pollution? So if you are exposed to that kind of noise, so it will causes permanent hearing loss, and it may results in high blood pressure, insomnia, that is sleep cycle will be disturbed, and breathing will be difficult. It causes stress, and it alters the brain chemistry. It may increase the crime rate, and especially permanent damage to the voice. So what are the preventive measures for preventing the noise pollution? Especially honking in the public place like hospitals, schools, etc. should be banned, and especially commercial, hospital and industrial buildings, so they have to use soundproof proof systems. musical instruments sounds should be controlled to desirable limits. Dense tree cover will reduces the noise pollution definitely, and explosives should not be used in the forests or mountains and mining areas that causes more noise. So by this we come to the end of pollution lesson.